I'm back with another e-bike, but this one is very different. I did a video on my first experience with an electric e-bike, the Engwe X20. It was so much more fun than I anticipated, and I even showed how to build a solar-powered charger for it, and it works with any e-bike. The problem was I couldn't bring my wife along with me, and everything in life is better when I can share it with her. The X20 is too big for her, and it didn't easily fit in my vehicle to take on trips. Like the trip we recently took, transporting our bikes on a train, then riding them back on a scenic towpath. However, when Engwe offered to send me the new L20 2.0, I jumped at the opportunity because it solves all these problems and more. I know you've been envious of my electric bikes. I got you your very own. I plan to give you an update on the real-world performance later this summer, after we've had a chance to experience it for a while. But I wanted to bring you this quick introduction now, in case you want to take advantage of the introductory $799 pricing. So here's a quick look at what sets this bike apart from most other bikes in the $1,000 range. Kim can actually get on this bike. It has the all-important low step-over bar. The seat on its lowest setting is still a little bit high due to the suspension, but it's still acceptable. And it comes in fun colors. The bike is easy to assemble, and it makes a great date night.
So isn't this better than a date night?
Sure.
This is a date night.
Except it's daytime.
It's a date day.
The second most important thing is it folds for easy transportation and storage. Not just in the middle, but the handlebars fold. So you can fit it in your vehicle without hitting the roof. I really love that feature. I really like the placement of the power controls on this bike. The plus and minus for power boost is easy to reach without taking your hands off the handlebars. And the throttle is a twist type, so you don't get carpal tunnel trying to use the thumb throttle. It has a high power motor for a bike in this price range. At 750 watts, it can deliver a peak power of 1125 watts and a max speed of 28 miles per hour. The 52 volt, 13 amp hour battery is expected to provide up to 80 miles of range. I hope to check that out later this summer. This will provide you with all you need for everyday usability. It's currently $200 cheaper than the original L20, but it has a higher voltage system at 52 volts, which will be more efficient, and it delivers more torque. Dual suspension instead of just front suspension. It folds in 2 places and weighs less than 68.3 pounds. It seems like an obvious choice. Most of it is pre-assembled, and it takes only about 30 minutes to be up and running. You can enter to win one of these bikes or $200 off one of these bikes through Engwe's March launch giveaway using the link in the description below. Check out my review of the X20 here, and you can learn how to make a portable solar charging system that will charge any e-bike. When I have an update on the long-term usability for the Engwe L20 2.0, I'll post it here as well. Thanks for joining Projects with Everyday Dave, and I'll see you next time.